Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing here of the Viva Countertop RO water system. This one is in black. When you first open up the box, you're greeted with a warranty card and then some paperwork and then a bunch of styrofoam. Once you get the styrofoam off, this is what you are greeted with next. Everything is nicely wrapped up and protected. Then, of course, here's everything out of its packaging. Again, this one is black. There is also a white one. So there are a few different things here. So of course in the back is going to be where you put in the water. That will be the water tank. It also comes with this nice glass carafe. I think that's how you say that. Nice glass water carafe here, which is of course where the water will come into. Going to the top, this of course comes off. Put the water in there. This is actually held on by magnets, which is pretty cool. Very strong magnets at that. You can see underneath there though, there are magnets, so it does attach to that very strongly. Then we have two different filters here. These are in there very strong. Here is the first one. This is the composite filter cartridge, the CF filter cartridge. So you replace after 1 year. And the second cartridge here is the RO, or the reverse osmosis filter cartridge as well. Reverse osmosis. Again, replace after 1 year. When you put these back in there, you have to make sure you push them down quite hard. And then the flap, or this guy, goes back in. That goes for both of these. They're both, you have to push them in very hard to get them in there and yank on them to get them out. They're in there very, very well. Then on the front here, we do have an LED display. So you have both the RO and the CF filter cartridge lives. You have a pure TDS as well as source TDS there. Reset and flush button. 3 volume options here: 0.4 liter, 0.8 liter, or 1.2 liter for actually filling up. And then this one is not showing up on here right now, but you do also have a water shortage alarm if you do not have enough water in it. And the first time you do use this, it does say in the instruction manual here that it will do a flushing of, well, use the water to flush it out for the cartridges, and you do not want to use that first round of water. You want to empty that out and then do it again. Otherwise, you'll probably end up with the not pure water, the non-RO water. Just like any other type of water filter, it needs to go through the cartridges first and kind of get rid of the sediment that is in it, or the extra carbon dust that is in there. But yeah, so stay tuned to my channel though. I will be doing a review of this beautiful machine after I have used it for a little bit. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you to Viva for sending me this machine. This thing is very nice looking. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.